Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at some of the craziest moments on the road. From reckless driving and ignoring traffic signs to out-of-control trucks. Each clip in this video serves as a reminder to drive carefully and protect yourself and others. Fortunately, no one was injured in this incident. The truck was stopped on the tracks when the train came. Oh my God, the consequences were devastating. The truck was completely destroyed, and there may have been casualties. The loss of control of the vehicle and its crash into the crowded market could have resulted in a serious disaster. The incident is a stark reminder of the importance of controlling vehicles, especially large trucks in densely populated areas. We often blame fate, but in reality, most traffic accidents are the result of wrong decisions, subjectivity, and lack of responsibility when participating in traffic. We have a classic accident case of a car stopping hazard and a distracted driver of a large truck. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next videos. We'll continue to bring you more fun and informative content. Stay safe.